Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll walk through how to install and configure the Instruqt Salesforce integration. Before you begin, be sure to review the pre-installation checklist on our documentation page. Also, be sure to review the access and permissions part required for installation. To install, head to play.instruqt.com and navigate to the Integrations tab. Select the checkbox if you are connecting to a sandbox organization. If not, leave blank and select Connect. Click the link to begin the installation process. After you enter in your login information for Salesforce, we see the installation page. For this example, we'll install for all users and click Install. Verify that you approve third-party access by selecting Yes and click Continue. In some cases, the app will take a while to install, and an email will be sent to you when the installation is completed. Let's click Done. We're brought to our Installed Packages page on Salesforce. After receiving the confirmation email that the installation has been completed, we can refresh this page and see that Instruqt for Salesforce has been installed. Great! Now let's assign the integration user permission set. Go to Setup, Users, Permission Sets. Let's locate Instruqt Integration Access. Click Manage Assignments, then Add Assignment. Select the user who is connecting to the integration, click Next, and then Assign. Next, we'll configure the remote site settings. Go back to Setup, then click Security and Remote Site Settings. Verify that the Instruqt App API exists. We see it here. Click to edit, check the active checkbox, and click Save. Now let's return to play.instruqt.com to finish connecting the integration. Click Continue in the Integrations panel and log in to your Salesforce account. Review the permissions requested and click Allow. Great! Now we see that the Salesforce integration is connected and has been properly installed. Let's continue on with the configuration settings back in Salesforce. You'll want to assign Instruqt permission sets to the right users. Instruqt includes 3 main permission sets based on role. Instruqt Editor, for sales reps or anyone who needs to create invites and track sessions. Instruqt Viewer, for managers who only need read-only access to reporting and engagement data. And Instruqt Admin, for Salesforce admins who need full access, including configuration. To assign permission sets, head to Setup, then go to Users and select Permission Sets. From here, choose the permission set you want to assign, like Editor, Viewer, or Admin. Then for each one, click Manage Assignments, select Add Assignment, choose the users you want to enable, and click Assign. Now let's make sure users can easily create Instruqt invites directly from an opportunity. To do that, we'll add the Create Instruqt Invite quick action to the opportunity page layout. Start by going to Setup, then navigate to Object Manager and select Opportunity. Next, click Page Layouts and open your active opportunity layout. In the Layout Editor, scroll to the palette and find the section labeled Mobile and Lightning Actions. From there, locate Create Instruqt Invite and drag it into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. Once it's placed where you like it, click Save. To verify everything is working, open an opportunity record. Depending on your page layout settings, quick actions may appear directly in the Highlights panel like we see here, or inside the drop-down menu. We recommend adding the Instruqt-related list to your opportunity layout. Back in Page Layouts, scroll down to the Related List section. From the available list of related objects, drag the Instruqt invites and Instruqt sessions into the layout. Once they're placed where you'd like them, click Save. If you'd like to customize what appears in these panels, click the wrench icon. Here, you can choose which fields are displayed and how the data is sorted. For example, we want our most recently created invites to appear first, so we'll add the appropriate fields and sort them in descending order. Once we save and return to the opportunity record, we can now see the Instruqt Invites and Instruqt Sessions panels displayed with our updated sorting. Finally, let's make sure your reports are shared with your sales team. Go to Reports and then All Folders. Select Instruqt Reports. Click the drop-down menu and click on Share. Here we can see who can view and edit the reports. Select and add any users you would like to add and change the access settings accordingly. Select Done when you're finished. And that's it. Great job. Your Salesforce integration is now fully configured and ready to use. For more information about the Instruqt Salesforce integration, head to our documentation page.